We're gonna get packed up and get on the water. And make some ground up today. This is the border of the United States of America. You can see it says US on one side, and it has an identifying number to it. Pretty cool. This is it. This is the border. This is the US. This is Canada. Look, guys, I'm in two countries at once. Two countries, Canada, United States. This is a border marker. It's all along this river here that I'll be paddling on most of the day today. Wheelbarrow Falls on the Basswood River. Really cool. It has 2 entry points. One here, one to the right of me. Check this out. I could have ran that, no problem. I don't know why I portaged around that. That's easy peasy. If you're Jim Baird, yeah! Jim would run that. Look at the pool that this creates. I bet you it's just incredible fishing here. If I had the time to fish here, I'd fish here. Wow, this is incredible. Look at this pool of eddies. Unbelievable. God, I wish I was throwing some fishing lures. Too much to pack, get out of the pack to do that. It would take me a whole hour to get set up. So here's the other falls. The other part of Wheelbarrow Falls. Another cool rapids. Let's get a little closer, see what we can check out up here. I think I might go up it. What do you think? I think I got this. We could probably go up it. I don't think it'd be a problem. Wow, look at that. Well, time to go. Let's catch some of this and ride it. Beginner's whitewater. Pretty cool, man, pretty cool. See you later, Wheelbarrow Falls. See you later. So as you can see, everything looks normal here on the shorelines. Paddling on the border here on the Basswood River. But it's not going to look so normal when we get into Quetico. There was a major burn back in, I believe, 2021. And the scenery is going to change. It's probably going to get a little bit ugly, but it doesn't affect the fishing any. So you're going to see the green trees turn into charred, standing pieces of lumber. God, I want to fish right now. Maybe tonight at the campsite, maybe. We'll see what happens. So there's another boundary marker, US border, Canadian border marker up on the rock there. So all day I've been traveling back and forth into Canada, into United States, USA into Canada, just meandering along this Basswood River. And I'm getting to the end of where I want to go on the Basswood River. It's going to start to turning into Crooked Lake, and then once I get into Crooked Lake, I'll be going north into Quetico. big rock wall here. Holy man. And there's a bunch of pictographs on the wall. I see a moose and a calf and like a blue heron or a crane. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. There I see a person. wonder why they always write them on the big tall rock faces. It's like their chalkboard, you know? If I photograph them, I'll get bad luck. So I don't want that on my trip. And they asked me not to photograph them. It's bad juju. So you got to come here yourself to check it out. That'll give you some incentive. Seems to be a common theme about everybody that sees pictographs. There seems to be an eagle, a crow. It's almost like they're guarding the site. There was about 3 crows there. And they were squawking pretty hard when I went by. Pretty cool. So it's about 10 o'clock, day 2, and it's already about at least 80, probably working on 85. Sun is coming up high, clouds are kind of clearing, hazy. It's gonna get hot today. Probably the last day with direct sun, and then we're gonna have a lot of clouds and some rain coming in the forecast. So I'll kind of take this when I can get it. So I'm sure I'm going to be dealing with some rain and some bugs coming up in day 4, day 5, maybe the remainder of the trip. We're going to have a couple of bad weather days coming up. I'd like to be up by camp, set up camp, get it all cozy, nice and cozy, so I can kick back and relax on a rain day. Get caught up on some much needed sleep. But I tell you what, this life is pretty rough right now. I'm kidding. I found this nice little nook to get a break from that sun. Whew. Take a little break here, maybe get something to eat if I can find something. Definitely cooler. The middle of a day is just a bear to paddle if it's sunny out and hot. Officially in Crooked Lake, probably the best smallmouth fishing in the world. Some big ones in here, 22, 23 inches, world class. But anyhow, I am out of the Basswood River. That took forever. I don't know if I'll ever do that again. Wow. long time. Covered a lot of miles. But that's done, and now we're into the lakes. Nothing but lakes after this point. I just wanted to show you some waves so you didn't think it was always calm and easy paddling. Yes, I do have to paddle through some wavier water too. Hopefully this trail will be good and we can get into Quetico Lakes. We're in Crooked right now and we'll be going north into some more Quetico Lakes. Let's check it out. Whew, that's a long paddle. Man. Wow. We're finally coming into the area that was burned a couple years ago. As you can see on the shoreline, some is green, some is brown, with some new growth in between. Looks like the fire just kind of like hopped. It's probably pretty common, it just hops with the wind. I don't know, but so we're coming into the burn. It's just the start of it. I'm sure it'll be even more brown as we go further north. I tell you what, ever since getting north of the Basswood River, there's like no people, which is good. The fishing looks really good. A lot of structure. Not a lot of current areas because we're not in the river anymore, but good shoreline structure. Okay, haven't been here in like 20 years. Wow. Finally some familiar territory. Everything up until this point was all new to me. A new route, new direction. Now I'm actually coming into an area that I've seen some before. So this is that island. This is that island site. I don't know if it's a campsite or just a shore launch area, but my brother and his buddy stayed there for an afternoon. And I think I might have made a decision. It's already 3:30. I don't really want to go into the major burn and have to search for a campsite when I'm dead tired. I really don't want to do any more portages today anyhow. I need to get hydrated. I need to get a good meal in me. And you know what? I might do a little fishing. Just throw something out there. Maybe catch a walleye and a bass. I know that this is a good area for fishing. So I think we're gonna give it a try. Okay, looks good to me. It looks like we found our home for tonight. Look at this landing. No big steep cliffs. Nice gravel, sand. Look at this. Woohoo! Don't really like seeing this on your campsite when you roll in. Looks like a pretty big pike. Estimated about, I don't know, those are some pretty big teeth. I would say it's at least 10 pounds, at least 36 inches. Yeah, it's probably in that upper 30s. Wow, why would they keep that? I don't know. There's a bunch of other fish parts. Looks like walleye. I hate having this on a site. Scales. But it looks pretty old. It's not like it's fresh. I don't think it should attract any bears. God, I hope not. Oh man, what a breeze. What a nice breeze. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Looks good. Looks like there's a tent pad back there. There's a tent pad right here. Nice fire pit, but we can't have fires because of the fire burn ban. You can put a tent right here. Oh yeah, this is looking good. We'll be looking into the sunset. Nice wide open area. Yes. Yeehaw! We're going fishing. First time fishing in Quetico in 20 years. Woohoo! We'll have about 3 hours to fish. We can fish till about 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 6:15. We're gonna try a shoreline, a little calmer water, a shaded shoreline with a little topwater whopper plopper for smallmouth bass. We'll try that for an hour or so, see how we do. And then, a little darker, we'll switch over to walleye with some crankbaits. Try a few spots for some walleye. All right. To start, Quetico pike, little guy, hit the whopper plopper. Oh, 20 inches. What a fight. Yeah, buddy. Oh, does that feel good? nice largemouth. Wow. Woo. Not bad. 16 and a half, 17. Whopper flopper. Let him go. Yeah. Smallmouth. 15-ish. Nice. So far caught a northern, caught a couple northerns, a largemouth bass, and a couple of smallmouth bass in the first 20 minutes. It's like the Canada I remember. Nice fish. He's got to be about 20 inches. Yeah, this will complete the slam. Oh, nice walleye. Nice walleye. Woo. Come on, buddy. Yeah, got it. Walleye. Very nice. Look at that. Yeah, about 20. Nice. That completes the evening slam. Walleye, smallmouth, largemouth, and northern. Not bad. This is fun. This one's bigger. I don't know if it's a big smallie or a big walleye, but holy mackerels. I'm gonna have to back reel them. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be 5 pounds, I think. Biggest fish of the night right here. Holy smokes, what is it? Oh, it's a nice Walter. Looks like a 25-inch walleye. Woo! Right off the island with the firewood. Can you believe it? Oh, that's a nice fish. I gotta get this one in the boat. We gotta see this. Hopefully the barbs won't pull out here, or the barbless. Man, that is fighter. Oh wow, that's at least 25, I think. It's nice. Oh man. I'll have to wait a little bit and show it to you if I land it. I wasn't lying, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Look at that fish. Skinny. 27. Look at that. Nice. Let him go. That was a hell of a fight. Holy cow. So this is the bait the walleyes are hitting. You know what? When you're up here, you might as well use a leader because you're going to come across pike. And I got a Z-Leader's titanium leader on here. 30-pound titanium leader with this crankbait. Just got a 27-inch walleye. But I got to take off one of these treble hooks. Too much problems, too many headaches in the net. So I'm going to remove the front treble and keep the rear treble. You only need one. I don't need both trebles on a lure. Not when they're biting that good. Wow. This is crazy good. I'm gonna try to use this fish gripper thing. Worked pretty good on the last one I caught. Ooh, a little bit of blue in them. The lucky blue ones. Yeah. Huh? Look at that. Well, if that ain't 27, I don't know what is. Look at that. Yeah. Look. Little bluish tint. What a nice fish, man. Wow. Nice fish. Back in the water, girl. Woo! That's awesome. That is awesome. Even after taking the treble hooks off, that one treble, I'm still getting barbless one treble. It's pretty darn safe. No idea what this is. Wow. Oh, what is that? What the heck is that? A big bass? Oh, it's a northern. Pretty big one. I don't know, it's probably the last fish I'm gonna film tonight. I'm gonna be heading in pretty soon here. I gotta get camp ready. Look at that pike. Screaming out the line. Woohoo! There we go. Look at that fish. About a 27-inch pike. Nice. Look at those choppers. Alright, put them back. I'm going to catch one more walleye, and I'm going in. See you in the morning.